Hello everyone. So if you can hear any Android calls, here's how to do that. So first of all, I recommend you to check your earpieces. Usually there are two dynamics. One is right here at the top above the camera and one is here at the bottom near your charging port. So make sure they're clean, there is no dust. If there are any, grab your cleaning cloth or some towel and clean it up. And then I recommend you to open up your settings, of course. Then open up your network and internet and open up your Bluetooth. All right, it's not here. It's in connected devices. So see all and make sure that you're not connected to anything, because sometimes you may not notice it. And I really recommend you even to turn off the Bluetooth. It would be good, because sometimes it may happen that you accidentally connected to your headphones or to some speaker and the call is just somewhere around there. That's why you are not hearing it. Next, make sure to open up sound and vibration tab. Make sure that you have your call volume, ring volume, and media volume enabled. Otherwise, your phone won't work. Then I recommend you to check notifications, and if you're expecting a call from some kind of messenger, for example, not just from your direct, make sure that app notification is enabled. And for example, for me, it's the main messenger is Telegram, so it's enabled, so I'm gonna receive all kind of calls there. Then I recommend you to scroll down to your About Phone tab. Here we gotta locate our update, our version, right? So here's our Android version. Tap on it, tap on system update, check for the update. My device is up to date. If you have any updates pending, simply update your phone, because updates bring a lot of bugs. Sometimes in some version you may have some problems with your calling. They're gonna fix it like the next day. So make sure that you have your updates set. And the last but not least, if your phone is just not responsive and you're not getting any calls, hold your volume up plus power button, or any other way. If you have set it on power button or power button plus volume down on some phones, simply summon your restart menu and choose your restart option. After your phone is rebooted, let's try and let's receive call. As you see, I'm getting a calls. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.